I want to talk about this topic because a lot of people leave the narcissist, get in other relationships, and now you just found out that you are a narcissistic person. Let's talk about this because when you don't go through proper healing and you don't go through proper deliverance, you're going to become controlling, manipulative, fearful of what this person's going to do or say. You're not going to trust them. You're going to be dealing with your triggers. You're going to notice that you have anger, resentment, and bitterness. I'm here to tell you because guess what? I did that, okay? And I almost caused a good godly marriage to end up in disaster, meaning divorce, because I was not healed and because I jumped into relationships right after leaving the narcissist. So some of you are experiencing some of the things that I have mentioned. And if you don't get these things checked, because you know, even within yourself, you're like, what I'm saying is wrong. What I'm doing is wrong. Why am I behaving this way? I don't like the way that I am. And you can't help it because you need healing. You are in protect mode, and you probably made vows to yourself as to no one will ever control me. No one will ever do this to me again. I'm going to make sure that I'm the dominant one. You probably have made inner vows to yourself, which is why you are acting the way that you're acting. And even if you didn't make vows to yourself, you are still hurt. You're a hurt individual that needs that healing and that deliverance. And until then, you're going to see every other person the same way. As soon as someone gets too close to you, you're going to begin to be all of the things that I've already listed. In the beginning phase, you don't feel these things. You're not controlling, not manipulative. You don't feel bitter. You don't feel angry. You don't have all of these different things and these emotions that's taking place. But the moment you start to feel yourself get close, it's like night and day. 1 minute you were fine, next minute you're not. Even when you push the person away and you say that, I can't do this relationship. I don't want to do this. I just need to be by myself. Immediately when you do that, probably the next day, you're missing this person. Why did I do that? Why did I say that? I really do like this person. And here's the thing. You probably really do like the person. But because of not being healed, set free, and delivered, you have the demons that is playing on your emotions, your mind, and your will. And it's keeping you in this spiraling effect with wanting the person there, don't want the person there, being manipulative, not being manipulative, being dominant, no, not at the next minute, not being dominant. It's like your body is going through so many different changes, okay, so many different effects, and you don't even realize that it's stemming from not going through inner healing and deliverance. I want to encourage you, my sister. I want to encourage you, my brother. Stop the relationships. Go through proper inner healing and deliverance so that you can get set free and delivered, and then give yourself time before entering into another relationship. Be blessed.